Healthy eating myths, understanding the cost.
Many people believe that eating healthy is automatically more expensive than eating unhealthy foods. This common misconception can discourage individuals from pursuing better nutrition. In reality, healthy eating can fit a wide range of budgets. Let's explore the truth behind the cost of nutritious foods and see how you can eat well without overspending.
Why cheap doesn't always mean unhealthy.
Staple foods like beans, rice, oats, and frozen vegetables can be surprisingly affordable and nutritious. While processed snacks or fast foods may seem cheap, their low prices often leave out nutritional value. Simple, whole foods can provide the vitamins and minerals your body needs, at a cost that rivals or even beats many convenience foods.
The power of planning and cooking at home.
Meal planning and home cooking are effective ways to save money while eating healthily. Prepping meals at home lets you control ingredients and portions, often at a fraction of restaurant or takeout prices. Buying ingredients like whole grains, seasonal produce, and lean proteins in bulk can further stretch your budget.
Healthy choices on a tight budget.
Eating well doesn't require expensive specialty products. Look for in-season fruits and vegetables. Purchase generic or store brands, and consider plant-based protein sources like lentils and chickpeas. These strategies can help you build balanced, nutrient-rich meals without breaking the bank.
Myth versus reality, the true cost of eating well.
The idea that healthy eating is unaffordable is a myth. Evidence shows that with careful choices, eating a nutritious diet can be accessible to most people. Small changes like cooking at home and choosing unprocessed foods make it possible to eat well on almost any budget. The key is to be informed and intentional about your food choices.